Calulu. A main dish from Angola. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Combine the chili and onion in a mortar and pound to a paste. Step 2. Add the tomatoes and pound until smooth. Step 3. Combine the meat and garlic in a pan with 300 milliliters water. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer and cook, covered for about 40 minutes, until the meat is tender. Step 4. Add all the remaining ingredients and bring back to a boil. Reduce to a simmer, cover and cook for about 30 minutes. Step 5. Serve with funge. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.